What's up, everybody?
Hey everybody!
We're new on YouTube, so
First we're going to be on cars. We're going to make cars.
yeah. Well, first we're gonna review physics videos, right?
Okay.
Logan, get yours. Yours right here.
Okay. And then we need to press the screen again. Okay, Morgan?
Okay. All right, Logan. Here's yours. Maybe you gotta show them how to spin.
This one doesn't spin because look, it doesn't spin that much.
This is my brother's. He has 4 of them. This is one of them.
And Morgan got more than me.
Oh yeah, by the way, our names are Morgan and
Logan.
This is Logan's.
And
It's pretty good.
And I can do a head shape like this.
And here's another one. It's Logan's. Spins pretty good. And these are his other 2. See the green bearings.
Whoa! Dang, I got 2 colors.
Here are mine.
Guess what? I got 2
This
colors.
one's glittery. Spins good.
Ow.
Got a pink one. Logan has 4 and I have 8, so total we got 12.
Whoa!
Logan. Purple one.
Whoa!
Got that one.
Whoa! And usually my room used to be clean and dirty, but all the time.
I also got a white one.
And Logan, you can't do that.
And got this one, it glows. Oh, by the way, this one glows too.
That one
It just doesn't look
even
like it. Then I got the chrome color purple. Spins pretty good.
And I got the regular blue that spins in the dark. It lights up on your camera, Morgan.
Alright, Logan.
Ooh. Review.
Logan. Alright,
Logan.
Logan. Get your camera.
Ah.
I mean, get your cars. Get your cars. Sorry, guys. Get your cars. They're over there. And your bucket. And you can.
Pause it.
No, just go ahead.
Okay.
Logan has some cars he wants to show you guys. All right, Logan, I'm gonna get out.
Goldie the Great.
We got to do it again. Come on, Logan, stand over here. Sit right here.
Let's do it
Logan!
again.
Logan, come sit right here and review your cars like I reviewed the physics.
Well,
Go ahead. All right, don't be so close to the camera.
I got cranberry, crocodile, purple.
Yeah.
And I got super blue.
By the
And
way,
I
he
got-
named them.
And I got super red. And I got Goldie.
Goldie.
He's my favorite car. And I got Steven.
Calls this one Steven. Oh, if you're wondering, it's not broken.
And if you wonder, this one, that means that's Batman.
Yep.
And I got other super red. And I got flames. And I got super duper yellow. And I got roofer. Oops, sorry. And I got super. His name is Super Goblin, but I used to call him Super Blue. In this car, I called him Race Car, but usually he just races in the dark sometimes. And I called this one Lightning because he goes very fast. And I got Super Drink because he drinks beer and soda. And this is a hammer part from my hammer.
Okay, look at.
Okay.
Since I'm new, we might be doing a giveaway for the first video. No, don't do that. No, don't.
He said, no.
Logan, did you see a little baby food jar? Be right back.
Baby food jar right here.
Not that.
That's Super Bill.
Back, guys. I also have 159 Shopkins.
And let's build them out right now.
This is how we're gonna do it.
We've reviewed our secrets, but I wish that I was a magician, but I wasn't a magician. But when I grow up, I'm going to be an inventor.
Yep, that's what he says he wants to do. Oh, Logan, do you want to have your own YouTube channel?
Yeah. I wish I had my phone was on the charger dead, doing ugly stuff.
These are some of the Shopkins I have. Just a little small review. So they're all from different seasons. I have a lot of them. I just don't have season 1. So if you'd like to send me fan mail, I would, but you don't have to. But if you want to, you can. Okay, get off the tripod.
And this glow-in-the-dark Shopkin, yeah, that's music player.
We will show you that later.
And we got milk.
Yeah. Listen, comment down below your favorite YouTuber and your favorite food.
And this is meatballs in the bowl.
You're messing up the lighting, Logan.
Again, I'm trying to help you on your YouTube show.
Logan, come sit right here. Sit right here. You can help me show them to them. Show them to the viewers. Yeah, just do like that, Logan, so they can see it. Did I show you this one? I showed them those, Logan. The ones that are on the floor, I showed them to them, okay?
Okay. And this one? No, you didn't do it.
I got that one.
And she got tree twins. See?
Yeah, I have 2 of the trees. I might give one of these away. Oh, wait, Logan, miss it.
What's that bump under the carpet?
I don't know. I have 2 of these. I just can't find the other one right now. Got some ice cream. What else? I just got a lot of them. See? These. I got a pineapple. Don't do that. Got butter.
Present.
Oh, sorry. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff on my channel, like dancing. I might vlog sometimes.
I'm about to get some.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Why would you do that?
Because I need to show them my ball.
Logan, my brother Logan wants to show you guys his ball.
And it's a big old ball, which means you can't see because it's green. Oh. Inside.
Oh, yeah. Next video, I will probably be showing you all of my shop keys. This is just a small portion of them. Max saxophone. Okay, so yeah.
My rusty ball.
Please subscribe, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and I love you.
There was a line on